if you're experiencing issues with multiplayer on your PlayStation 5, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Follow these steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your PS5 is connected to the internet. Go to Settings, then Network, and select Test Internet Connection. If there are issues, try restarting your router or connecting via a wired connection for better stability. Step 2. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, then System, and select System Software. Choose System Software Update and Settings to check for any available updates and install them. Step 3. Verify PlayStation Network status. Check the status of the PlayStation Network PSN to see if there are any outages or maintenance. You can visit the official PlayStation Network status page online. If PSN is down, you may need to wait until it is restored. Step 4. Adjust NAT type. A strict NAT type can cause multiplayer issues. Go to Settings, then Network, and select View Connection Status to check your NAT type. If it is Type 3, consider enabling UPnP on your router or setting up port forwarding for the PS5. Step 5. Rebuild database. Rebuilding the database can help fix various issues. Turn off your PS5, then hold the power button until you hear a second beep. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. This process can take some time, but may resolve multiplayer problems. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance your multiplayer experience on the PlayStation 5. If problems persist, consider reaching out to PlayStation support for further assistance.